In the heart of India's innovation hub, Genome Valley, Hyderabad, stands a center of cutting-edge science and breakthrough discoveries. Welcome to the Scimplify Center for Innovation, or SCI, a world-class research facility shaping the future of specialty chemicals. At Scimplify, we believe chemistry powers change, and at SCI, that belief becomes reality, where bold ideas transform into tangible solutions, advancing industries across the globe. Inside SCI, innovation thrives. Equipped with high-end instrumentation and infrastructure, our labs are designed to tackle complex chemical challenges, enabling custom synthesis, route optimization, and process development at the highest level of precision and quality. Our infrastructure is built for high-value, niche chemistries, from potent compound labs and organic catalysis units to fully automated peptide and oligonucleotide synthesis suites. SCI is an innovation hub for new possibilities. Whether it's early-stage research, pilot-scale development, or full-scale manufacturing, our integrated approach delivers complete, scalable solutions. At the heart of SCI is a team of over 25 seasoned scientists, with more than 600 publications and 150 patents. Together, they've contributed to the development of 500+ APIs and intermediates, supporting some of the world's leading pharmaceutical and chemical companies.
At Scimplify, we have established a lab which is going to develop high technology for the global market, having APIs and related intermediates. The purpose of SCI R&D is to provide cost leadership in whatever we produce using technologies that are cutting edge. For example, we plan to do flow chemistry and many other related technologies which are going to help Scimplify in providing the cost leadership in the products that they make. We are aspiring to become a preferred customer for certain type of products, like for instance, oncology drugs, peptides, and oligonucleotides.
We uphold the most rigorous quality and compliance standards, FDA, EPA, GMP, and CGMP, ensuring our partners meet the toughest global regulatory requirements. But innovation isn't just in our labs, it's also in how we connect our customers with manufacturers through technology. Atoms, our proprietary digital platform, offers end-to-end visibility from R&D to pilot scale to full-scale production through a single cohesive platform with real-time order tracking. From Europe to North America, from Asia to the Middle East, SCI is powering a new era of chemical innovation. Scalable, cost-effective, high quality. At the Scimplify Center for Innovation, we're not just shaping molecules, we're shaping the future of specialty chemicals. Let's build that future together.